Hey guys, I hope you're excited about this case study. I recently did this for a client and wanted to show to you exactly what I did, break it down for you, how we were able to get the results. So I'm finally sharing this with you, and I'm just doing this so that you can have an idea of how to structure your marketing and how to get sales into your business. So yeah, I'm going to be revealing everything to you in this case study. All right, guys. So this case study, I call it word of mouth marketing, and how to create an unforgettable experience. The reason I called it that is because when I was doing my research for the market, I realized when a business is not really well known, when you get something that's when you can get customers an unforgettable experience, they're gonna do the marketing for you. So it won't even cost you anything. You just need to focus on providing them with an experience, and it needs to be an unforgettable experience. It needs to be a really good experience that they're gonna tell their family, their friends, and it's just gonna go on and on like this. And so they do the marketing for you, and basically it costs you nothing. So I'm gonna show you in this one case study how you can do that for your business. Okay, so I just want to show you what the result was. So this is the customer for this business. So and I did this for a pizza restaurant. So she says thank you and the name of the pizza restaurant for the venom I captured out the information about the client. So she says Venom was a really good movie. I had a great night tonight with my sister at the cinema. Would surely come to see you again another time for an excellent pizza or yummy poutine. Thank you. And so we did a contest, okay, and basically she was a winner. So we analyzed who the market was, and we analyzed what gift they would really appreciate if we did a contest for them. So and then we just brought those two things together, okay? And we never asked her to take a picture. We never asked her to take the menu of the restaurant. We just did a contest online, and I'm going to show you what that is just in a bit. And basically, she had such a great experience, because of this contest. She felt like she was obliged to do this, right? She had an experience not alone with her sister. She brought her family with her to the cinema, and she asked her sister to take a picture of the menu of the restaurant. Okay, it's right over there, menu of the restaurant, and then also the coupons that she got to be able to see the movie. And she did this for us and sent it to us, and she put it on the page itself. Okay, so this is one thing she did. I'm going to show you something else she did as well. Okay, and just to show you. This didn't cost a lot of money. This was very simple to do. It did require work, basically doing the research and analyzing, before actually coming up with the contest. But we did that work and we put it together, and this is the result. So now I'm going to show you guys the ad itself. So this is what I wrote on the Facebook page for the contest. So I said contest alert. Giving 2 free movie tickets for Venom to enter. And the reason I did Venom at this time was because this was very popular at the time that this was going on. Everyone was talking about this movie, and I know this restaurant really catered to people in this age group, so I knew that this would really resonate with their audience. I said all you simply need to do to enter this contest is like and share our Facebook page. Contest ends October 18th. 10 p.m. Winner will be announced the 21st of October 2018. And you see that this didn't cost us any money to just add this on the Facebook page, right? We got 179. If you got 179, people reached, 33 people engaged, 13 comments, 4 shares, and a bunch of likes, and this is wow reactions. So. And so yeah, this was the ad. This is the exact ad that I used to be able to generate, that girl going with her sister, taking pictures of herself and the menu on her own. We never asked her to do this, right? We just did the contest. We told her, hey, this is your gift. Go enjoy. She did this for us. She felt obliged doing this for us. Okay? And she took that picture, and now, like, this contest is going to be over, right? This contest is going to be over. Next time, like, she's going to be talking about food. Is she going to remember the restaurant? It was such a unique experience for her. What about her sister? Her sister's the one taking the picture. Her sister was the one who's, who watched the movie. They're going to go talk to their friends about the movie, right? Like, oh, what did you think of the movie? And they're going to talk about it. Like, how did you, what did you think of it? And they're going to explain to them how they got tickets for free, because of this one restaurant. Now, their friends are going to be interested about the restaurant. They're going to be like, hey, who's that restaurant that's giving out free tickets? I want to know who they are, where they're located, right? So they themselves, they're now more attracted to the restaurant. Plus, the people that they're telling them about is also attracted to the restaurant. And this is free marketing. It's word of mouth marketing. And it doesn't cost you guys anything. The initial cost up front was like $10, $20 for like 2 tickets. But the experience you have now with these clients, is going to be unforgettable. They're going to be with you for a long time. They're going to be telling their friends about it. And, they tag themselves in the post. So their friends are going to see this post now. And, like, it's spreading, and you just have to be creative. You just have to, take action. And put this together. It's a very simple process, and it was such a great experience. So this was just one ad that I did, and I'm gonna go through some of the comments these people had on the post. So we were telling everyone, hey, thank you for all the participants. Can't wait to announce the winner. Visit us back on Sunday. So I was just telling them, and then you see all these comments. Hey, the good luck, and yeah. And she's explaining to us, like, share your page. Thank you for the contest. These people, they're engaging, right? They're talking about the movie. They're posting. We got the chance to post their links, the link of the movie. And let's just go back. Okay. And yeah, and then you just see these comments people are adding, right? This improves your algorithm for Facebook. So Facebook is going to recognize, hey, more people are engaging. So this page needs more attention. So Facebook is going to allow you to get more traffic, right? You get more visibility. Facebook is a business, right? And they make money once there's more people on their platform. So if you have a business and there are more people that are engaging with your page, Facebook is going to recognize that. So if there's, anyone who was searching for food on Facebook, they're going to be, putting up your restaurant there because, you're getting a lot of engagement. And people that are on the Facebook platform, they're going to get the chance to see your restaurant. I want to show you just one last thing. So this is another comment. Like, she took a picture not only of herself, she took another picture of the menu itself, the coupons, and she said, thank you again. Thank you. Glad you had fun. And then we responded, thank you. Glad you had fun. Hope to see you soon. So she did this all by herself. We never asked her to do this. We just gave her a good experience. And that's what you should expect. When you do marketing, when you want to attract clients, you need to give them value. You need to give them a good experience. And they're going to do the marketing for you. They're bought in. They had a great experience. They're sold on your business. And that's how you should have effective marketing. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that. If you guys have any questions about this process, how we did it, how we structured it, how we came up with the idea of getting that as a prize, how we analyze the audience, how we put this together, the pictures of the Facebook ad, the copy, how we wrote it, how to write it, what are some of the things you need to put in to make sure you're actually getting that interaction with your audience and it resonates with your audience. And yeah, this was just one contest. We have many more contests that we put together. We got great results. If you guys do want to know about it, please just reach out to us. We'll be happy to give you more information. If you would like one of our members from our team to help you do this, or if you have questions about like how to do this, please reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to give you tips how you can do this as well for your own business. Also, if you would like us for us to do it for you, that we could do that as well. If you guys think that that would help your business, we would be extremely happy to do that for you. So I hope this helped, and I hope you guys succeed in your business.